5 things I hate about the VW Beetle. Get in. You better buckle up. I love that smell. And who doesn't love that sound? Yeah. You know what else I love is this nice painted dash. So simple, yet so elegant. You know, it's summertime here in Connecticut. Meanwhile, down south, you Florida folks, yeah, you're cooking. Don't mind if I do. Back roads, shade, and the cool breeze. The occasional sun. What's that? You're getting toasty? Well, you just pop open one of these vent windows here. You know, another thing I love about this car is how when you look over the dash, you have the hood emblem on there, and then the hood just disappears. I love how you can just put a roof rack on a car and go to tag sales with it. You know what else I like? You know, you can just stretch out, put your arm right here. Maybe you're with your beautiful wife. This is not my beautiful wife. What a nice driving car. Just the wind blowing those gray hairs right out of my head. These things are just awesome on the back roads of New England. 1300 cc's, plenty of power to get you up any New England hill. Another thing I love is the VW emblem gas cap. Love that. Who puts premium in their Beetle? I do. It's also very easy to drive. You can teach your young child how to drive a manual on a car like this. How's it feel?
Different.
Yeah? I mean, last time we drove this, you were 10.
Right.
No pressure. This is going on YouTube.
Really? It's just straight back, right?
Yeah. Oh, he's a short shifter.
Yeah.
You gotta let it eat a little bit, you know? Well, you don't have to go fast, I'm just saying. Oh boy. I got a car backing up.
Better stop. I have to stop it.
Stay, you know, you can stay in your lane a little bit.
True, I can't.
First car I drove was a 78 Cougar. I drove right down the middle of the road. I was convinced that it wouldn't fit.
I don't think I can trip the tires on this thing.
You can.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Barely. How much horsepower does this thing have?
50. How was it?
Not bad.
Not bad?
Yeah.
First car?
I don't know about first car.
Who wants a 7.3 diesel?
Yeah, I do. A truck. Just one truck.
All right.
7.3.
7.3.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What do we got? Oh, Stinger. Gotta have the Stinger. Your mom is not a fan of the Stinger, Josh. Love that car. We're just out cruising around. Josh taking turns driving. What do we got there? Let me know what kind of car that was. That was pretty cool. Out here in an old farm. Josh and I are just cruising around. Next video, 5 things you need to know how to do if you own your classic Beetle. Josh, what was your first one you came up with?
Drop the engine.
Drop the engine. That's a good one. If we were doing Family Feud, maybe that's what we'll do. Family Feud. Top 5 answers. 5 things you need to know how to do if you own a classic VW Beetle. So look for that video, and we'll also have the first start and hopefully first drive on that 1965 convertible car from Ghia. I keep saying the rescues are coming, but they really are, because the cars are going to get scrapped if I don't go get them soon. So I've been pushing the envelope with that. So thank you guys for dropping in. I appreciate all the comments. Thank you to my members. Josh, what do you got?
Nothing really.
Nothing really.
No.
He's a man of few words. So you guys make it a great few couple of days, and we'll see you soon. Take care, guys. All right, so Junior's been out here wheeling all evening while I'm trying to edit my video, and he's calling me out. So we're gonna have a little wheelie contest. So go ahead, buddy.
You want to go first?
I don't want to go first. You go first.
Do I have to like start out like?
Do whatever you want.
Like you have to do the same thing I did?
Take your best shot. Whatever. Just let's see it.
Or we just the rest of the video off?
So this is an ATC 110. It has no rear brake, no front brake. Not that the front brake's gonna help you on a wheelie, but so it's Well, go ahead. Time's ticking. Let's go. Let's see it. So it sounds like he's in low. It's got a two range tranny. Oh, he's going with the one-handed variety. No rear brake. It's not even on the brake side with his foot. That's gonna be tough to beat. Now I gotta tell you, wheeling downhill, he's going downhill instead of uphill. This is, yeah, that's what, yeah. Downhill with no brake. I would not try that. See, I would be going uphill. He's got me covered. My dinner's ready, so I'm gonna make one failed attempt going uphill. See, that's just going too fast for me. Nope, way, no way. And no brake. How's it gonna stop? Oh, yeah. Nice, no brakes. Good. Send it. All right, let me get a turn so I can go eat.
10 seconds.
Let me have the helmet. I don't get my helmet.
It doesn't fit, does it?
No, but it's okay.
Dad blew the axles from. Dad blew the axle bearings out last time we went on the road. So yeah, that thing was just pinned everywhere, but you can't really wheelie.
No brakes. All right, I got spanked. That's okay. Hey, wait. Who's got you covered on the dirt bike, though?
You for right now.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I mean, maybe there's someone in the comments.
Forget it. Forget about it. You guys...
Maybe there's someone in the comments that's more of a challenge.
You want to see a dirt bike contest, Wheelie? Let us know, because I can spank my guy here. All right, I'm going to get dinner.
Okay. Wait, Dad, get one more.
He's not old enough to realize that one more. You never, not just one more. It's not one more cast. Take care, guys. Thanks for dropping in. Appreciate it.